2026 is around the corner, and the fastest path to your goals isn't motivation, it's system and focus. 2026 is near. Point 1. Set one target, not 10. The biggest mistake is chasing too many goals. In 2026, pick one mission that truly matters and go all in. Point 2. Create a daily system. Goals fail because routines fail. Build a daily system, wake up time, study or workout time, tracking time. If the system holds, the goal becomes automatic. Point 3. Remove distractions. Success isn't about doing more. It's about removing the noise, scrolling less, gaming less, and focusing more. Point 4. Track progress weekly. What gets tracked gets achieved. Review every week what improved, what slowed you down. Point 5. Build habits before dreaming big. Big goals don't need big effort instantly. They need small, repeated habits that compound daily. Conclusion. You don't need luck in 2026, you need focus, routines and consistency. Start today, your future self is waiting. Start now. Your 2026 story begins now.